Professional excellence. There is no doubt you'd like to be best in what you're doing. If you're working as a coach, medical doctor, physiotherapist, or any other profession working with people, I'm sure you'd like to get straight to the point, to be as effective as possible, as fast as possible, to know exactly what's wrong with your client, to be able to assist them in the best way possible. Energy reading, energy coaching is the cutting edge of therapy, of working with people. And I'm here to share with you all the secrets about how to do it. On the webinar on April 11th, I'm going to show you that actually energy reading is super easy, and there is no doubt that you can do it very well yourself. So your practice will transform completely, that you'll be able to see the energy in your clients, exactly how it flows, and as you're working with them, to see what the changes are. Looking forward to see you, my friend. Bye-bye.